It's official. HTC has finally announced the Vive Flow, a lightweight and portable VR headset that offers users entertainment, wellness, and gaming experiences while on the go. Before we go any further, it's worth noting that in our very brief hands-on time with the device, the Vive Flow was still in a beta stage, so this video simply represents our early impressions. HTC made no bold claims about the power of the Vive Flow. In fact, it doesn't even describe the device as a headset, rather immersive eyewear that straddles the line between headset and smart glasses. As such, it's difficult to compare the Vive Flow to other VR products on the market. Instead, the device occupies its own space as a portable, versatile, yet unashamedly limited machine that can't match its larger VR counterparts for power, but can trump the latest smart glass for functionality. We didn't get to try many of the experiences and games on the Vive Flow, but the ones we did play were more like glorified mobile games and apps than bona fide VR programs. Part of that insubstantial feel definitely comes from the Flow's lack of controller, with the device instead requiring an Android-enabled smartphone to function. But both this and the lack of power mark just a few of the many trade-offs that the Flow is forced to make in its commitment to portability. Luckily, the Vive Flow weighs in at just 189 grams, making the device refreshingly easy to carry around, taking up a large pocket in a rucksack as opposed to the entire rucksack. Its arms fold too, so the Flow can be slipped into its accompanying storage canister and placed on a desk or bedside table in a way that actually looks pretty smart. It's also really comfortable to wear. The Vive Flow sports a dual hinge fit system and snap-on face cushion. HTC Vive hasn't been totally clear about the hardware that powers the Vive Flow, though we know it does sport a 75Hz refresh rate and two LCD screens that operate at 3.2K resolution. Though this is passable for a VR device in 2021, it does restrict the fidelity of its games and wellness experiences. The LCD screens offer an adequate 100-degree field of view, which does well to make the best of the Flow's lackluster refresh rate and less impressive graphics. The spatial audio that comes out of its arms isn't that great, though when paired with Bluetooth connected earphones, the audio-visual experience is heightened dramatically. Naturally, we haven't been able to test the Vive Flow's battery life, but HTC claims you'll get up to 5 hours from its USB-compatible battery pack, which seems more than enough for the headset's moment-to-moment use cases. And that last point really sums up the appeal of the HTC Vive Flow. It didn't bowl us over with any of its varied virtual experiences, but for a portable headset designed with casual use in mind, it's an undeniably innovative VR device. The HTC Vive Flow will cost you $499 or £499, making it even more expensive than some of the most popular VR headsets out there right now, like the Oculus Quest 2 and PlayStation VR. Admittedly, that's nowhere near the price of other HTC devices in the mainline HTC Vive series, but $499 for a VR device that should really have the light moniker attached to its name is just a little too expensive for our eyes. Thanks for watching our hands-on of the HTC Vive Flow. Let us know down in the comments below what you think of HTC's latest VR device, and remember to subscribe to TechRadar on YouTube so you don't miss any of our future content.